Hey everybody, it's Eric here with Spartan Auto Works. Today we're working on 2010 Equinox with a fuel system control module issue for ignition 1 voltage at the module. Customer replaced the fuel system control module, still had the same issue, P069e, along with the ignition voltage code at the module. So I came down, checked the CCM fuse. CCM fuse had power, which is what supplies the fuel system control module. We did a continuity test on the wire, make sure there wasn't any slight breaks in the wire. The wire tested good. Our reload tested the wire tested good. And then we went back, obviously verified we had 12 volts at the wire, and we did. And it's actually a real easy fix. You go back to the connector itself. Right there, the pink wire, which is your wire that's coming from the fuse box for the ignition. See if you can get in focus there. What actually happens is there's like a pin in the middle of or a little blade in the middle of the pin, and that actually pushed all the way straight up, and therefore it wasn't making contact with the pin. So if you push down on the wire itself, it would make contact and you get your 12 volts. If you would let go, it would no longer make contact. The fix was to pull the pin out of the connector and actually spread the pin. I can do that, show you here. So let's see. It's gonna be that fourth one over from the right on that second row. There's like a little nub or round piece. Went to the back side of the pin, used the pick, push it through, made it spread the blade inside the connector or inside the pin there in the terminal. Put it back on. Everything works as it should. Good connection. No more code. So if you're having a problem with that, you may want to check that wire. Like I said, I've seen that a couple times. Turned out to be the issue with this vehicle. Hopefully this helps. Thanks. Have a great day.